Okay, so you shoveled what? An hour ago? Have fun. Dad, you're wearing sandals. I'm videotaping, it's okay. This should be fun. The side that's doing. I think he's gonna. Yeah, I don't think that's doing anything.
More.
It's not doing anything, so what's the point?
Oh,
Lock the door, lock the door.
Get out there and shovel. Get my tree.
I got it.
You did not.
Most of it.
No.
It's still bent over.
Fix it.
It's big.
It's not. It's gonna rip. It's gonna break.
It's okay, nobody likes that tree anyway.
Use the rake.
Right down there.
Use the rake. That's not the part that's bent.
It don't matter, I think it's gonna break anyway.
Cold.
Cold.
Stay out there and shovel.
Look how low the line is over the car.
Oh my gosh.
Hit it with a stick.
Yeah, you do that, Dad.
That's the cable.
No, we don't want a cable going out. I'm recording to Grassy. Oh my gosh. Can't somebody drive by so I can see somebody sliding somewhere? Dad, go drive around the block. This isn't considered heavy? Really?